Long shorts. Ick structure. It's pretty popular to have the ick. All the girls are sharing their icks. I thought I would simplify the ick for everybody.
Segment is going to be about our icks and
Our
guys.
icks.
Okay.
I'm gonna put an end to the ick problem. All icks come from the same thing, and that thing is lack of masculinity. I recently made a video about masculinity and femininity that was quickly demonetized. I explained that deep in the psyche, men tend to be more masculine and women tend to be more feminine, and that is also what we expect from each other. So what is masculinity? Well, masculinity is doing stuff, and femininity is having stuff done unto you. To be masculine is to assert, and to be feminine is to receive. That is why we like men with muscle. Muscle is for doing stuff, and they wear pants to help them do stuff. And that's why women don't need those things. They get to look pretty and do less stuff. That is why every ick is either being affected by the world, especially if it's in a negative way, or being unable to affect the world in a positive way, especially one that benefits her. The icks they list include being cold, that is, being affected by the environment, going on a coffee date, that is, small amounts of investment, going to a restaurant and not approaching the hostess stand. They then list several clothing errors, which is not enough, being in control of your appearance. This is probably an ick. So just like a coffee date is not enough of creating a quality date, waiting for the hostess to call you is not enough of getting her a seat at the restaurant. And then finally, asking, do you want another drink or dessert, which suggests that she might not, which is bad for the same reason as the coffee date. It means I don't have enough. I can't do enough. So if you use this formula, you can predict every ick that will ever happen. And remember, none of these things have to be fair. They're not rational. So some examples might include being hit on the head by an acorn, or not being able to pick up a beer keg, or being blown around by a strong gust of wind. In extreme cases of ick sensitivity, you might even get things like, I can't believe you didn't gun it through that yellow light, or I just can't see a man put on a raincoat. So to avoid the ick, remember, I always can do, yes I can do that, more of it, bigger, and nothing ever affects me. I am naked outside in Antarctica. There you go, I have solved the ick. Now stop talking about it.